Just look at the sunrise, guys.
Good morning, everyone. So it's around 5 o'clock. With the gear and the time, you would have already guessed that I would be going for a ride.
Bye, Ma. Kude. The bike is all set. So it's about 5:40. Left home at around 5:20. I was supposed to meet my friends at Hebal at around 5:30. I'm a bit late, so I've asked them to just carry on and then I'll catch up to them. I think it shouldn't be a problem. This is the first time I'm riding with the GoPro Hero 9. The setting is Super View. Hopefully you should be able to see a lot of what is happening in the front. So before this, I was riding with the Session 5. It was good on the highways, but inside the city there was a lot of vibrations. But I've heard good things about GoPro 9, so let's see. So the map has changed to the right display. It's officially good morning. The sun is coming out slowly. Beautiful. Beautiful morning. I think when we get onto the airport expressway, we will be able to see the sunrise even better. The greatest of the philosophers have always said, do what you love and you wouldn't have to work a day. You know, if it's my normal work day, it's a little hard to sort of wake up in the morning. But if I have to go for a ride, it doesn't matter if I've slept for half an hour or 1 hour at night. I can just get up in the morning and go. I think it sort of reinforces that if you love something and if you're doing it, there are no sort of barriers that we sort of tend to put in our lives. Wow, just look at the sunrise. Brilliant. So about the trip that we are planning, it's 4 of us. So Som, Ravi, Balan. So Balan is from Chennai. He would be joining us in Bangalore. I'm just hoping that this trip materializes. We've been wanting to do a road trip for quite some time. It would be a huge trip. It would be around 3 weeks. So yeah, it is going to be long. Yeah, a lot of work needs to get done before that. You know, this is the beauty of riding on a bike. You don't need to pay the toll or even wait at that queue. So yeah, quick update. What is it? 6:20 almost. About 20 minutes away from the place. Yeah, the GoPro is still charging. I would need to charge the GoPro when I reach that place. So I've ordered for additional batteries. I should be able to get them in a couple of days. I think this is a good thing with GoPro 9. Actually, GoPro Hero. Previously, I had a session and you couldn't sort of replace the battery. It was very compact. It was great. Just that if the charge runs out, you will have to charge it again, right? Like there's no other go, unless you're continuously connected to a power source. With this, you know, you can have a couple of batteries charging in your backpack or somewhere, and then you know every couple of hours, every 2 hours, you can just swap it out. Alright, so we are at the Kandavara Lake. It's about 7:30, 7:45. We reached about half an hour back. Yeah, so it's a beautiful place. We've been relaxing. You can see it at the back. Alright, so we are heading back from Kandavara Lake, and this looks a bit alright. Piece of cake. Getting ready for the big trip.